Welcome to our channel. Wireless printer setup in 10 easy steps. Step 1. Turn on your printer, plug in your printer and press the power button. Wait until the printer finishes starting up and is ready. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi, make sure your Wi-Fi router is turned on and working properly. Keep the printer reasonably close to the router during setup. Step 3. Open wireless settings. From the printer's control panel, open Wi-Fi, wireless, or network settings. The exact option may vary by printer model. Step 4. Select your Wi-Fi network. Choose your home Wi-Fi name from the list of available networks. Double-check that you select the correct network. Step 5. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Type your Wi-Fi password carefully. Pay attention to uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 6. Connect the printer. Select Connect, OK, or Join. Give the printer a few moments to establish the wireless connection. Step 7. Check the Wi-Fi status. Look for a Wi-Fi icon, wireless light, or connected message on the printer. This confirms that the printer is connected to your network. Step 8. Add the printer to your computer. On Windows, go to Settings. Bluetooth devices. Printer scanners. Add device. Select your wireless printer when it appears. Step 9. Install the printer software. If required, install the latest printer driver or official printer app for your model. This helps your computer communicate properly with the printer. Step 10. Print a test page. Send a test document to the printer. If the page prints correctly, your wireless printer setup is complete and ready to use. Thanks for watching.